Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the last video we learned about the while loop in PHP with some examples. In this video we will learn about string in PHP. So string is one of the most important topics in PHP. Watch the video till the end. After that video you will have a clear understanding of string and important function used for string manipulations. So let me create a new file. I am inside C drive, inside XAMPP, inside htdocs folder. So this is our learn PHP folder where I am keeping all my PHP tutorial related files. Let me open it with VS Code. Let me create a new file for this video tutorial. So this is our lecture 12. So I will name it as L-12 strings.php. So first of all, let me explain what is a string. So string is a sequence of character. Means it can have any characters, it can have alphabet, special symbols, numeric values as well. So how to define a string in PHP? Basically there are two ways to define a string in PHP. Let me show both ways. Using single quotes and double quotes we can specify string in the PHP, like dollar $str1. Using single quotes I am showing hello, how are you. So this is example of a string. Inside single quotes you can write characters, and second way is to using double quotes, $str, I am Rajat. So if we print both of the string using echo $str1, then a br tag to print in next line. After that $str2, and let us see the result output in the browser. So our file name is L12. Make sure your XAMPP is running. Strings. So you can see that this is our str1, hello how are you, and this is our str2, hello I am Rachel. So these are the two ways you can define strings in PHP. So what is the difference between the two? The difference between the two is that if you want to use some particular value or a variable value in a string, then it cannot be used inside single quotes, but in double quote string you can add variable. Let me show it with example. Dollar name, if I try to use this name variable inside the single quoted, like dollar name, and let me use this variable in the double quoted as well. and let us see the output of both. What will happen in case of single quoted and double quoted string? You can see that in case of single quotes, it is simply printing dollar name, not the value of dollar name variable. But in case of double quoted strings, it is taking value, that is Rajat. So this is the main difference between the single quotes and the double quotes. So let us move to some important string function. String is one of the most important type that we have to handle during development of any application. So there are some important functions in the provided by PHP for string manipulation. For example, if we want to find the length of the string, then we can find using str length function. Let me take another string $str3. Hello, I am Rajat Sharma from Haryana. And if you want to find the length of the string, then you can use str length. Let me print echo str length $str3. So you want to find the length of third string, and after that a br tag. Add a br tag here as well, so that it gets printed in the next line. Let us check the output, what the length comes out to be. So you can see that length is coming 36, means there are total of 36 character in this string. Actually it should be br instead of b tag. For next line, length is 36. So this is the function which is used to find the length of the string. Suppose if you want to count the number of words in the string, then we can use str underscore word underscore count function in PHP, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So there are 7 words in the given string. Let us check with the function echo words. Str word count. This is the function str underscore word underscore count, and we will pass string to it, that is str3. Then we will give a br tag for next line. So you can see that it is giving the number of words as 7. So this is the another important function which we can use in strings. So now suppose you want to find the index of a specific value inside the given string. Suppose you want to check where this Rajat is coming. What is the index of Rajat? Then you can do that using strpose function in PHP if you want to search for a particular string within the another string. Let me show you how. Position, let me put position strpose. Then the first strpose first parameter is the string in which we want to search, that on the whole it is saying haystack, which means string in which we want to search. We want to search in str3, and then the string you are looking for. Suppose we want to find the position of Rajat in the str3. Then first we will pass str3 and then the Rajat which we are looking for. So it will simply print the index of Rajat in the given string. And what is the index? It starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Rajat is starting from 11th index basically. So it will print 11. Let us check the output. You can see that it is printing 11 because the result is starting from 11th index in the given string. So now suppose another function is, suppose you want to convert the whole string into lowercase, then you can use str to lower function in the PHP. Let me show it with example. Str to lower, then we will pass the string which we want to convert to lowercase, that is $str3, and the br tag for next line. If we check the output, you can see that here H is a capital, I is capital, R is capital, S is capital, H is capital. So all these should be converted into lowercase when I am using a str to lower function. Let us check the output. So you can see that actually it is not coming in the next line. Let me check it. It will be better if it comes in the next line. Let me use a br tag here as well, so that it comes into next line. Let me use a separator here, lower equals to, then it will be clearly visible. So you can see that in lowercase string everything is in lowercase, this H, this R and this H. So str to lower has converted everything into lowercase. Now similarly, if you want to convert the string into uppercase, then you can use str to uppercase, str to upper function, that is echo upper equal to str to upper, and then pass the string str3. Let me pass a br tag as well. Now you can see that all the letters are converted into uppercase using str to upper function. Now suppose you have a string like str4 equals to, it has space in starting, then some word like jack and space at the end as well, and you want to trim that space, then there is a function in PHP that is trim, which will remove the space. So let me show you with example. Echo space removed, space removed, trim $str4, and then the br tag. So you can see that now the string is starting just after the equal sign because the space is removed from the string. If space is there, then it should start after giving a space How trig was signed. So trim is used to remove the spaces around the string. So similarly, you have L trim and R trim as well. If you want to remove space from particular side, L trim you will remove from the left side only, and R trim will remove from the right side only. Now let us move to some other important function in the strings. Which one of them is, suppose you want to reverse a string, then you can use strrev for function in PHP. Reverse, then strrev $str3. For example, we want to replace this third string, that is str3. Hello, I am Rajesh Sharma from Haryana. So you reverse it and see its output. So let us check the output of reverse. So you can see that it has reversed the string 3, which is hello, I am Rajesh Sharma from Haryana. So strrev is used to reverse the string. So another important function is to replace some particular string within another string. For example, if you want to replace this Sarma with Singh, then you can use str replace function. Let me show you with the code. Replaced. So we will be using str replace. First of all, we will pass it the string to be reversed. Let us check the parameter. It will take string search, replace, and then the subject. Okay, first we have to pass the string which we want to replace. For example, here we want to replace Sharma in the str3, so we will pass Sharma, and we want to replace Sharma with Singh, and in the str3, that is third string, we want to replace. So let us check that output. After replacing Sharma with Singh, it should say I am Rajesh Singh from Haryana. So give a BR tag here as well. Let us check the output of replaced. So str replace, you can see that now it is saying hello, I am Rajesh Singh from Haryana. So it has replaced Sharma from the given string to Singh. So str replace can be used to replace a particular value with the another value within a string. So another important function is str repeat. Suppose you want a string in which only one word is repeated multiple times. For example, you want a string which consists of hello 5 times, or which consists of anything. Then what you can do is use str repeat. Here you have to pass the string which you want to repeat. For example, you want to repeat hello 5 times. In the str repeat, first we will pass the string you want to repeat and then the number of times you want to repeat the string. So it should give a string which will consist of hello 5 times. Let us check the output. So you can see that repeat output hello 1 time, second time, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. So it is printing hello 5 times. So str repeat is used to form a string which consists of a particular word repeated number of times. Then you can use str repeat. So another important function is to find a substring of a string. Then you can use substr function in the PHP. Let me show with the example. Substr equals to substr. First, you will have to pass the index. Suppose you want to fetch this result from the str3, then it is starting from index 11 as we already know. So we will pass 11, and then we want to fetch 5 characters because the result consists of 5 characters. After that, dollar string. First of all, we have to pass the string actually. So we are looking from str3, so we will pass string. After that, the offset from where we want to start, we will start from the next 11, and after that, the number of characters we want to include in our string. Let us check the output. It should give result. So you can see that sub str is fetching sub str from index 11 and taking 5 characters. Suppose you want this Sharma as well, then it will have that space, and after that 6 more characters. So we have to add 7 more. That we take it as 12. Actually, I haven't saved it. I have changed it somewhere else. We have to change here 12 as sub str function. So you can see that now it is fetching 12 characters after the specified index, that is Sharma. So in this way you can use this important string function in PHP. So we understood all the important PHP string functions, difference between the single quotes and the double quotes. So if you find this video useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.